Hello everyone, what's up? So in today's video, we are going to do the unboxing of IKEA items which I bought. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. I will tell you what are those and the prices of it. If you like it, you can also take it as a reference and buy it for your home. Okay, let's begin. Let me put this aside and sit properly. That's it. Okay, so the first product is the doormat. This is the doormat which I have ordered. This costed me around 299 rupees. This quality, if you like this product, you can order it in the app. Okay, for the next product. The next one is, are you excited? If you can guess before I open it, mention in the comment below. Okay, can you guess? It is the bathroom mirror. It is 238 rupees and after discount it has given me for rupees 149 only. So I bought it, two mirrors for two bathrooms. Okay, I hope you like it. The next one is this. Is for bathroom to put the shampoo, shaving foam or the shower gel, your conditioner and all this stuff. You have to just stick it off to the bathroom and there is two holders and suction for it. You have to just fix it here and stick it to your bathroom and then it's ready to use. If you want this how to put it, I will make a video another one. If you want this, let me know in the comment below. I will show you how I put it. Now next one is these two items. These are hooks. Basically I'm putting this for my bathroom because I don't have a hook for towels. Okay. This is, sorry, I forgot this one. This is for your hand wash. Okay, and this costed me around 79 80 rupees only. Costed me 200 for both. Okay, and this one costed me 399. This one for 199. This one for 79. Doormat for 299. And that's it, 5 items. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next video.